Allah'ım sen ya.
Sen o TV'yi ver.
Chill, why the fuck got the light on me, bro? Chill, I'm black. Don't shoot. Don't shoot. Oh, shit. Oh, my God. Oh, man, this shit on myself. Oh, goddamn. Why you yelling at me? That's fucked up. Oh, she throwing desk and shit. Hey, y'all look sweet, though. I'm proud. Hey, you look like somebody off Call of Duty. I ain't even gonna cap. Call of Duty. Don't he look like somebody off Call of Duty, yeah?
Quiet down and listen. We're trying to figure stuff out. We can't.